Hi, Benjo here, TNT Shooting Academy. I am here to demonstrate to you our 4 count draw drill. This is what we use in the TNT Shooting Academy and as well as in the PNPA. Today I will be using, or the pistol that I'll be using is an STI Spartan 1911 single stack pistol. So we will be able to demonstrate using a single action pistol. So we will be starting from condition 1 or loaded pistol, cock and lock. Okay, safety up, hammer cock, holster. And in this exercise I will be using the JR Genovation speed holster with auto lock. Okay, when you put in the pistol, you see the lock, it engaged, and your pistol is safe and locked. And to draw, just use your middle finger, put it up, and draw. Okay, this is the holster that I'll be using today. Okay, make sure when you practice your draw, your holster is in the right position that is with the boundaries of the rules of practical shooting, that is with IPSC or ISMO, or the International Shooters and Match Officers Confederation, and IPSC, which is the International Practical Shooting Confederation. And here in the Philippines, it's the PPSA, Philippine Practical Shooting Association. Okay, right position for the holster is only up to your hip bone. Holsters up to your hip bone or right in front of the stitch of your pants. And also the first magazine would also be right in front of the stitch of your pants, or basically right in front of your hip bone. And for the height of the pistol, so make sure you check your pistol if it is unloaded. The height of the pistol with your rig or holster, the highest point of your gun should not be lower than the top position of your belt. Okay, that's under the rules of practical shooting. Okay, before that, before the 4 count draw drill, I will be also showing the right way or the most effective way to hold a pistol when firing. Hold the pistol as high as you can. That's the highest that I can hold my pistol. Okay, and gripping is just like a firm handshake. And your support hand, which is your left hand, for me, for my left hand, the space here, that is where you put the palm of your support hand, right there, and grip. So even if I let go with my right hand, the pistol stays in position. Remember, right thumb over left thumb. Right thumb riding on the safety. When you are using single action pistols, the right thumb should be on the safety. Okay, make sure there is no space in between the hands. And your left hand or support hand feels the grip of your pistol. So even if I let go, Okay. Some shooters would hold it this way. I do not recommend this because, well, in some guns it is okay, like for Glocks. It is okay to hold it this way because it has a space here for your finger. But for other guns that doesn't have that option, your finger will just slide every time you fire the gun. So I recommend the traditional grip, all your fingers on a full grip with your shooting hand. Okay, let us start the 4-count draw drill. In this exercise, I will be using one magazine full of dummy rounds so I get the feel of a loaded firearm. Make sure all the bullets inside are not live ammunition, and the first bullet would be a snap cap so I would not be damaging my firing pin. Okay, safety up, holster. Okay, I will also be using a timer later when we get comfortable with the draw. Okay, the 4-count draw drill. 1. This is position 1, wherein your shooting hand goes on the gun and you're ready with your positive grip. So you are already in the grip or with a grip on your pistol, and your right thumb is ready to accept the left hand to get in this space. Okay, again. 1. Make sure this support hand is here waiting for the gun to go and join to your left hand or support hand. 1. 2. In position 2, you can now put down the safety. Okay, safety down, but make sure your trigger finger is still out. 2. 3. On position 3, that is the time, on the way to position 3, that is the time you put your trigger finger in, and when you get to position 3, you remove the slack and align your sights to your target. And 4 is to break that shot. Okay, make sure you have a target to aim at so you get the real feel of draw and aiming correctly. Again, cock, safety up, holster. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you get faster and faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? By the time you get comfortable with the draw, you can use a timer. Okay, that is our drill for today. Make sure you are using unloaded guns. Stay safe. Stay home. TNT Shooting Academy.